Hi everyone, I would like to introduce myself as Sapti Wulandari. Here, I am as a representative of my team who want to present the result of our scientific article writing, which we have submitted through this international conference or ECOSAP. This writing that we have done has a topic that want to raise the gender, more precisely on the sub-theme of feminism, with the title Transformation of Women Leadership Style in Post-Pandemic Crisis Recovery. First of all, what motivated me to do this writer is follow. In relation to the current COVID-19 pandemic situation, each country leader have implemented various national policies to deal with the spread of this virus. Evidence from the previous research on COVID-19 suggests that countries led by female leaders are more successful in dealing with COVID-19. Female leaders around the world are managing the COVID-19 crisis better than their male counterparts, responding faster and communicating better about pandemic policies. Based on the United Nations Entity for the Equality of Gender and the Empowerment of Women, which is the existence of the United Nations, which a focus of the movement to empowerment girls and women state in 21 countries around the world in a world where heads of state and government are female. In leadership, they have been pressed to their greater effectiveness in dealing with the COVID-19 health crisis, such a figure holding at the highest level of governance power in Slovakia, New Zealand, Iceland, Germany, Finland, Ethiopia, and Denmark are being recognized for their responsiveness in preventing and dealing with the pandemic by means of compassionate and transparent communication. In countries such as Canada, Ethiopia, India, and Madagascar, women medical and health professionals are increasingly being found in leadership positions and leading in daily mass conference and public service announcements. From Gambia to Barcelona, female mayors around the world are very visible in responding to the pandemic and sharing their experience on online forums. Based on this fact, it does not mean that male leaders cannot successfully handle the COVID-19 pandemic crisis through their masculinity approach. In fact, by referring to approach based on gender equality, both masculinity and feminist traits are seen in the form or policies promoted by female leaders. Problem areas we're handling during a pandemic requires a more responsive leadership style to minimize problems that can occur due to a pandemic. While in the post-pandemic period, leadership is focused on recovering from crisis conditions. Seeing this problem, the researchers will conduct a study that aims to analyze how the transformation of women leadership style in managing the response and recovery after the COVID-19 pandemic. Furthermore, the research that we conduct use a systematic literature review method. The systematic literature review contains description of theories, findings, and other research material obtained from reference material to be used as the basis for regular and systematic research activities. The systematic review will later be directed to take an overview and development a clear framework of thinking about solving the problem that have been described previously in the formulation of this problem stand by Xiao and Watson. First, search technique. In conducting our article search, we use the Prisma guideline, a method for identity selecting analysis and synthesis studies. The literature search was conducted through an electronic database. The database used are ScienceDirect and ProQuest because the database also cover a lot of social, politics, and science. Social and political science, found according to the flowchart image on the basic of ScienceDirect as many 174, and in the ProQuest as many 248. Second, criteria for inclusion and exclusion. The inclusion criteria were applied in the study by limiting the set to study published between January 2020 and March 2022. This time frame correlates with the problem, namely during the crisis period facing the COVID-19 pandemic, where this pandemic began in 2020, the world experienced a global crisis. The main concern is the transformation of women leadership style in post-pandemic crisis recovery. Additional inclusion and criteria inclusion studies published in international journal, studies written in English, and publication involving studies from several countries. As this picture from this result, 112 will be obtained in inclusion and criteria. And third, the third is to do that extraction, data extraction. In this case, the research category is study using the following categories: title, author, publication date, country, research design, study population, and research result. The publication were the group based on the transformation of women leadership style in post-pandemic crisis recovery to be able to summarize the women's leadership style from the journal obtained. And finally, the last one is the classification of search result. Researchers obtained 20 full-text publication for further screening of the publication retrieved. 20 studies met all the criteria for inclusion. The following is a chart image of the article search process using the Prisma method. Result. I will convey the result and discussion that we can based on the previous article. First, I will convey the finding that we present in our rating. 20 articles were found with the most presentation in article published in 2021. Second, women leadership style in dealing with crisis situation due to the COVID-19 pandemic are considered better and can overcome pandemic event. And third, the overall female leadership style has a distinctively female perspective that emphasizes caution in relation to COVID-19. And finally, female leaders outperform male leaders when it comes to global policy issues. In this discussion, first, the result of the in this discussion based on the finding, I will review a little by conveying the meaning of the finding. First, the result of the review article shown that during a crisis, leader must overcome fear, give people roles and goals, and emphasize experimentation, learning, and self-care. A survey of leaders in this crisis leadership function during COVID-19 pandemic revealed significant difference between the behavior of emerging and more experienced leaders in acknowledging fear and providing reassurance, managing individual health and role models of good self-care, and encouraging others to practice good self-care. Second, it can be made an important point that the form of transformational leadership is a process in which a person connects with other people who then create relationship in order to develop morality and motivation through increasing interest, observing individual need and emotion or feeling of member to develop and grow themselves to achieve goals and extend their own interests. This is in accordance with the transformational leadership style demonstrate through the capability to bring about drastic change. And third, the reason women leadership style during a pandemic tend to be transformational is from the way female leaders determine step through action in the context of prevention in order to overcome the pandemic. This can be seen through the implementation of firm policy decisions before the coronavirus spread widely, for example, such as imposing an early lockdown, closing borders, and implementing of a four-level COVID-19 warning system scheme carried out by female leaders in assessing the level danger of infection virus. This can be done because in making decisions or policies, female leaders tend to avoid the risks that occur and prefer to act swiftly and effectively rather than endanger the health of the community. Finally, after COVID-19 pandemic, the leadership style in overcoming problem was initially that of female leaders. They carried out firm, clear, and open public communication by explaining the reason for choosing and handling steps during pandemic and providing a quick response in the early days in outbreak. But the post-pandemic impact of fear in various aspects of life so had this transformation style in more feminine. It returned to feminine traits such as caring, scientific, and nurturing. Conclusion and recommendation that we can convey include: first, female leaders tend to use transformational leadership style at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic. Second, post-COVID pandemic toward the recovery of women using a more feminine transformational leadership style. recommendation that can be made by other researchers in the future and to combine several variables of women leadership with other variable and broader topic in order to more update. Then that's the presentation that we can convey from the result of writing our scientific article. Hopefully, it can be additional new knowledge for all readers and can be an evaluation and input for further research. Thank you.